What's up, y'all? It's the little boy 2012. I'm here again. So, today's guys, we're roasting for today is Thomas and Friends All Engines Go. So, that's a reboot in the year of 2021. I do know that the protagonist is also Thomas, like in the original Thomas and Friends. So, please like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Are you ready? Let's start the roast video, shall we? Warning, this video is a comedy and a little violence. Let's start the roast video.
Here comes Thomas!
God damn, we just started our intro, bro. And bro, Thomas, why are you so happy as hell? And bro, why's your face look like a ripoff Cocomelon mixed with My Little Pony? Hell nah.
I'm the #1 engine, whoa!
Bro, how come he cannot fall with this rail ass loop-de-loop?
All engines go!
Why do you mean all engines go? More like all engines not go. Hell nah.
Look, there's Percy! We're best friends!
Bro, best friends? How you can make hands as a cloud? The fuck?
Ascona zooms around.
Bro, Kana, you're the fastest train. Bro, you're not related with Sonic the Hedgehog. Calm down.
Then I lead by speed and I'm ready to glow.
Ready your speed and ready to glow? God nah.
All engines go! Hey, there's Mia. I'm rocking out.
How come, Nina, you don't fall in the tracks when you do like that?
Oh, don't forget me, Thomas. And Diesel gets a shout. Hey!
Yo, pulling a train out in a track, that's not funny.
Need a fix-it crew, Carly and Sandy. You can count on us. We're super handy.
You aren't guys super handy because you are guys some trains.
Down the hills and round the wall.
Down the hills, yo. I don't know what it said with this.
All engines go! Percy, go!
No more go.
Kana, go! Mia,
Bro, turning around and bro, stop showing your train ass in my face.
go! Diesel,
Why can trains jump? That's so... I don't know. Why do cartoon trains jump in TV shows? I don't know what it said.
go! Carly,
Bro, what are you trying to do? Carly, what a lame ass name.
go! Sandy,
Sandy, your sound that's lame.
go! Here,
Man, what did I see a while ago? Look at this nigga's face. Gordon from Thomas and Friends #4. He's just shocked hearing these kitty voice trains moving around.
here comes Thomas.
Here comes Thomas. I just said, stop. Why are you so happy as hell going out in the shed?
#1 engine, whoa!
Whoa, what the fuck?
All engines go!
Bro, why are their train wheels are so stretchy as hell? God nah.
Down the hills and round the...
Bro, you guys were too happy as hell. So, wait, I'm not ending this yet.
All engines
Bro, what is that on the top of your head? Why is there a lot of stuffs in your head? I don't know what are those.
go! Look, there's Percy. We're best.
Bro, how come trains can be best friends or trains can talk like humans?
And Ascona zooms around the bend. I lead by
Bro, Kana, stop. Why do you steal that speed from Sonic the Hedgehog?
speed and I'm ready to glow. All engines go! Hey, there's Mia.
Bro, trains jumping around all around the tracks. Bro, I didn't know that you didn't fell.
I'm rocking out. Don't forget me, Thomas.
Is that Diesel? Bro, you have a lot of, I don't know, train gas, that black cloud thingy.
And Diesel gets a shout. Hey! Need a fix-it crew, Carly and Sandy.
Bro, why are these things can assemble train tracks?
You can count on us. We're
I don't
super
know what to say with this right now. So, guys, I'm
all
gonna
engines
gotta get out of here. Till next time,
go!
get scorched.